Charles is a service modeling engineer who uses BMC Helix innovative blueprints to automatically build and maintain service models. The process begins by ingesting topology data from BMC Helix solutions, third-party monitoring tools, and other sources. This data is then normalized and reconciled across the disparate sources and stored in a graph database. The out-of-the-box blueprints automatically read the topology data to create and dynamically maintain business services for applications, hybrid cloud infrastructure, and networks using an AppDynamics blueprint with cloud, network, and storage components. Charles is building a service model for a digital retail application and now selects the targeted applications. The action automatically builds an end-to-end service model that spans from the application through the network and across hybrid cloud infrastructure. All blueprints are reusable, and a single blueprint can be used to create hundreds of business services. Charles used BMC Helix Blueprints to quickly build a digital retail service leveraging an AppDynamics blueprint integrating software, servers, storage, and cloud resources. Dynamic service modeling offers 360 degrees visibility across IT infrastructures, enabling service-centric operations.